Hello everyone, Game Dev Pro here. Welcome to my very first game development vlog. I'm Game Dev Pro, and in this series I'm going to share my progress on a simple game that I'm creating using assets I'm already own in Unity. The idea here isn't to build something completely from scratch, right? But to combine and extend these assets with minimal effort. I would like still to create a working and fun game. It will be a lot of hands-on experience with Unity for me while keeping things manageable. So in today's video, I'll show you my first few hours of progress as I start to integrate the assets and work on the core mechanics. Let's jump in and see what I've accomplished so far. I've already created my general concepts with the theme idea of the game, so it's going to be a small dungeon with 10 rooms, with a 40 hero exploring, battling and solving simple puzzles. The goal is to clear each room by defeating the enemy or solving a small puzzle. The core mechanic will also be quite simple. We will have a movement which will come from an engine I already own. The combat will probably come partially from the engine. There is also going to be a replication for the movement. The enemy AI will also come from the engine, but it will be integrated with the 40 models I own. We have pickups, which is probably going to be some sort of a health potions. There will be boss battles. So for my first week, I would like to create a project, init my Git repository, import all the assets, get all the scripts to make them work together and replace the characters that I own with something else. Of course, test everything and record a short video that I'm currently doing for you guys and upload it to YouTube. So here we are. I already set up my project by using just a sample scene from the Unity 2D options directly. I'm using an engine 2022 3.49. I have imported my assets, which takes a lot of time, so I'm not going to show you that. But currently I have imported all the assets I own, which are some paid 2D assets. At the same time, I initialized my Git repository. I've added all of these assets into the Git ignore so I can commit my code freely and without needing to submit the code of these assets. I've also created a task list of the things I would like to do, import the things, and make them together, exclude each asset, of course, everything that I just showed to you. And I've also created tile palettes from all the tile sets I own, which is something very important for me because I would like to have everything prepared when I start managing and creating my levels and everything I have. So here I have a town example, which I'm probably going to use for the first videos. I have some forests, I have some stores, some extra items that I own that I'll be using to beautify the things. And probably one of the best feelings of using these two is the feeling of achievement after you finish a task. So yeah, that is super valuable for me and keeps me motivated to track my progress and to see what is going on. And it's also very good for brainstorming activities. Here I just think about some things that I need to do to achieve my goal. For example, here I need to add the template character. I also have to smoke test it. And this is what I'm doing here. I'm just planning my next steps before doing them. So first of all, I have some traceability, and second of all, it's super easy for me to follow the progress. And here, after integrating everything, I'm adding my first character. So let's try it out. Is it working or not? Okay, I think the character is moving, the replication works. Let's see, can I interact with this guy? I do, yeah, okay, good. I see the things. So the integration is kind of working. Okay, let's see if I can move in between rooms. This is important part of the engine. Okay, I can move. This is good. I can pick up coins, which is also great. And let's see, can I attack? Okay, I do have the animation replicating properly, which is also great. Let's see, can I attack this guy? I do, great. Okay, so the smoke test is successful. Great, super happy. Great. So my first week, I think it was successful, and I'm continuing with the next week's tasks and things that I have to achieve. See you.